Hello guys. Today we are going to be treating atomic number and mass number of elements. This is a continuation of atom that I explained earlier. Um, Let me just give us a recap of what I mentioned about what I said about atom. We defined atom and then we went ahead to explain the constituents of atom in another session. We have mentioned that atom um, contains proton, electron, and neutron. And I said atom has a dense center which is called nucleus, and the nucleus houses proton and neutron, and then we have electron revolving around the nucleus. And we also mentioned that atom is electrically stable in the sense that the number of proton equals the number of electron, and proton is positively charged while electron is the negatively charged particle. So the protons will nullify or let me use the right word, neutralize the number of electrons in that atom. Okay, having said that, let's move straight to this. So atomic number and mass number of elements. So this is a presentation of an atom, or let's say elements, and then what we have here is atomic number, or have here our atomic mass. Okay, so in fact let me label it. A represents atomic mass, YZ represents atomic number, and then X is the third element or atom, as the case may be. Alright, having known this, so let me explain again. The atomic number is also the number of proton. The number of proton of an atom is the atomic number. Mass number can be defined as what? Mathematically be defined as what? The number of proton and neutron. That is, what it simply means is that proton plus neutron will give you atomic number. That is, proton atomic number is equal to, sorry, mass number rather. Mass number, which is A. A is equal to P plus N. That is proton and neutron plus neutron will give you atomic number. Sorry, the atomic mass rather. So for example, let me give an example. Let's say you have an atom, and then the atomic number is 11. The mass number is 23. Now, we are being given the atomic number, so atomic mass and atomic number, and we are being asked to calculate for the number of neutrons. So what do? Remember that atomic mass, which is A, is equal to what? Proton plus neutron. This, right? So what is the atomic number? Oh, sorry, what is the atomic mass? Atomic mass is 23. 23 is equal to, proton is what? Remember that the number of proton, sorry, the atomic number is same thing as the number of proton of that atom. So we have the number of proton is 11 plus, what is our neutron? We don't know. So what happened is that this is a basic math. We have been doing something like this since. So what we simply do, this is a positive number. This one will come here and change to what? Minus. So have our n is equal to 23 minus 11. Therefore our n is equal to 12. So therefore here our neutron is what? 12. So in most cases, especially the first 20 elements, we have our mass number to be what? Proton multiplied by 2, which is atomic number multiplied by 2 will give you mass number. But it's not in all cases. A situation whereby we have something like this, whereby the number of proton multiplied by 2 won't give you the mass number, we will say that such elements has undergone what we call isotopy, right? And isotopy simply means the change in the number of neutrons of that element. So I believe this has really helped you. If it has helped you, kindly support my ministry by subscribing and also help me share widely. Thank you. Bye for today.